All right, so this is lesson 707, and it's called dilating a line. So we already know how to dilate points. If I take a point and just multiply it by a scale factor, let's say 3, and I get 3x and 3y, that's my new point. I'm just multiplying the x and y coordinate by whatever my point is. So to do a dilation of a line, let's just see what happens. If I graph this line, y equals 2x minus 5, my slope is up 2 over 1, and my y-intercept's negative 5. So up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. So here's my line, and that is y. So if I pick 3 points from this line, I could just dilate. So one of the points here is 0, negative 5, my y-intercept. My next point that I could choose next to it here is right 1, down 3. And this point is right 2, down 1. And if I want to dilate this line by 2, I'm going to multiply all these points by 2. So my new line is going to have the points 0 times 2 is 0, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10, 1 times 2 is 2, negative 3 times 2 negative 6, and the last point, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. If I graph these 3 points, we might notice a pattern. So 0, negative 10, right 2, down 6, right 4, down 2. And if I look at this new line, we call it y prime, this is after the dilation. And the equation is y equals, my slope is still 2, and my y-intercept is now negative 10. So looking at my original equation and my new equation, the only thing that's changed is my y-intercept. And it's been dilated by 2, or multiplied by 2. So that's our key understanding for today. To dilate a line, we're just multiplying the y-intercept by whatever the scale factor is. So let's look at an example in the inside. So I'm given the equation of a line, and it's being dilated with a scale factor of 2, or multiplied by 2. First of all, this equation of a line is not in y equals mx plus b form, so I want to fix this for sure. First thing I'm going to do is use those inverse operations to isolate y. So 3y equals 2x minus 9. Divide all the terms by 3, and then I get y equals 2/3 x minus 3. So here's my line. I'm going to quickly just graph this up here. So my y-intercept is negative 3. My slope's up 2 over 1, 2, 3. And here's my original line. Now I want to dilate it with a scale factor of 2. So all I have to do to dilate my line, or get to y prime, is multiply the y-intercept by 2. So I get 2/3 x minus negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So that's my final equation here. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my slope's still up 2 over 3. So a couple things we want to notice. First of all, looking at my black and blue line, they are parallel because they have the exact same slope. So when I dilate a line, it's just parallel. And if I look at the distance away it is from the origin, it keeps saying centered at the origin, it was down 3 from the origin. Now it's down 6. The distance from the origin has doubled. It's just being moved farther away from the origin. So if I multiply y equals 2/3 x minus 9 by something other than 2, let's say a scale factor of 1/3, I would get y prime equals 2/3 x. I should have chosen minus 3 here. Minus 3 times 1/3 be minus 1. It would move closer to the origin. So when I multiply by a number greater than 1, it moves farther away from the center. When I multiply by a number less than 1, it's going to move closer to the center. So just a little more information. And then so our key understandings at the bottom of the page is down here what I want you to write. After a dilation, the slope stays the same. The y-intercept changes, and we just multiply by the scale factor. So sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3, whatever they say to multiply by. And after a dilation, since the slopes are the same, our lines are going to be parallel. So pause the video, go to the next page, and try an example. So for this example, the first thing you had to do was isolate y, which I So for this example, the first thing you want to do is isolate the y. So add 2x to both sides. Once I've done that, it says graph and determine the new line after a dilation scale factor of 3. So I just need to multiply that y-intercept by 3. So my new line is going to be at 2x minus 9. Up 2 over 1 is my slope. Here's my new line. And I forgot to graph my old line, but 2x minus 3, the original line. Was here. So as you can see, it's just been dilated down by a scale factor of 3.